Remember, Nick, if you start your day off with a good run, it can't get any worse.
Yeah. Went until, oh boy. Well, there's a little bit of,
Yeah, some ice right there.
yeah, fucking WI2.
Nice.
This is a trail, right?
Part of the full marathon?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Carnage.
Oh, yeah, this is...
Here's the tail.
I think the trail through Brady.
Got a tail fin. GPS will save us.
Yeah, yeah. We've been in worse situations.
Yeah, it was fun. I mean, we are supposed to be going up right now.
No, you go down and then you go up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think it's on the down part.
Right, you think.
Looks like a trail like somewhere in this direction.
Yeah, through that swamp over there.
Which one?
Mark my words. Not nearly enough moisture in the last 2 weeks for any of this ground to be saturated.
Oh, not this way.
Heard. The running begins again. Your shoe is wet. I'm fortunate enough to have missed most of the tide pools.
I think it's more so just from the wet fern.
I see. Quote, definitely a game track. Unquote. I don't know. I think enough people meander through here. Keeps it sort of under control.
Oh yeah, they were like almost there at the back of the trail.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Did we take a shortcut?
Yeah, I mean, we did cut off the big U-turn.
Oh, okay.
So.
This is something.
Yeah, probably an old trail, maybe?
Yeah.
And hanging out with my coop. She was cleaning a couple roots that it like took from
Like a couple years ago with my discount. Allegedly.
Yeah, we might be getting cliffed out right now.
I mean, fuck around.
Yeah, Faho.
Yep. Yep.
Yep. Yep. That just means it's quicker to get down.
I mean, it certainly is. Just don't stop. Ah, the wilderness. Unadulterated, unspoilt wilderness.
We ended up in someone's backyard.
Oops.
We are back on trail. We knew where we were going the entire time. We are professionals.
The track will vindicate us.
Yep. Who needs coffee in the morning when you can just bushwhack? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, probably not onto the golf course. Look at that. Thanks. Indeed. Luckily, flat,
Oh yeah.
level ice.